Camere baro bella Camere teo callamo Camere baro bella Camere teo callamo Camere baro bella Camere baro bella Camere teo Tana kira kura kiriyo Kira kurini Tana kira kura kiriba Ni teo callamo Camere baro bella Camere teo bella
Yes, hello. Tar palu tin chande, ubira gonya. Jomo tin na wa kumbidi. Ki panen is wa ticket ki kumbidi. Tini, podwa tiki muzee Kilama, Paul Kilama, ki Dr. Caesar Chae. Ba gubetero wa ilokme tekwar me upi section me arione ya Acholi. Tekwar me upi ikitma Acholi o quiero que berupi pamono y arab y kita chulo surviving kere y kita chulo chao ribe kere ka chel no tiro pero makitegi y va pero un gal kare abe wero Dr. Sida chae bicharo y musée Paul Kelama obe mede ki jamo eno berkatete wa y chabit mokara kiro na ni u y chabit mokara ma wajani history ba wan in pira tek ne wan nen kama wa ye in ngo mano wa ro mati ne ka chen ka no ko tim daro o poke ka je mo de tie ba mi ko tie mo ka chen donc kon ki bolo a poka mo ni chen gi ne ko mo ma tie ni kito musée ke la mo to wa in chabit mo kara Dr. Caesar chae kaya ro cha no we musée wi ka med mega ye ti dong panelist romo mede wiye ti kito ni chabit mo kara wajo ni pol wan mo ken di tiro kwanti apo ro to
Ana foi det så season gick ton chairman med mina kare ana mede kilok ma no atikilok ne tabir mo karo i lok ma lo ar garo a chao ki kare ma Acholi bien ni Acholi ma gi chao tikere kar me chiel en bide en kare men Acholi me palaro patiro ki paiera gurita ke chiel dok bene lok man ni riba yete on nento chaka ke kenya bene ma guribe siguriemo nubi mauno gen gen nubi no bene gen opi ma mono mikutoria ke arabo o ma o kilugi o kilugi alwenyi ya chuli chidong gin multi me karma revolve mo bene ni madia ni revolve mak donc ki ngolo wi monoculture ke arabo donc en gin nu vi donc gudong di yak di chuli ento gubir ki tim bo ma mrej mada na wajini ke gunero ro chamo gunero ro juko me pabo ki gunero ro ki mor me tiak chidong mano kelu repick actually a patero palaro che paiera madungul wenyo chala chuli siguriemo Johnny non ngolo nam gucher go jungen bloka nam kunu kidong mo gucher yitung bunyoro mandung ginu ana kilo kage ni wanna wat rong matame Johnny non keriemo gero cara dok British dongor gero British dongor gero me wek dong gubet askares and magu cher kalwenyi kum nyoro and dogi pian British no ubino kaloji kuma chuli iloj ma British kaloji Uganda gen gukero la wangi ene ober kaloji ento actually British were hands on go be direct rule magu bino ma ke askari en askari ge magu dubuli en do kar nubi en jo makri yam ge do ku kelo ineno sidong lo ko petum ke kenyo en we awachini lo kini ke med kong lo ke piani kar madong gu bino ruere chulo no e ke pe yomi yemenano ni nubi do ke kelo ge ko ento ada gen when perat gibit UN kigene ke kilo British eno gibit you get ge haya dung ngarchel maunum pe ye yum mutwal any rora which bien ginge ti en nge ti ni nubi yone wonne rot cham en ge tamni go hunyo weko bien ni rora which ke mako rora which kitero i buch Kampala sidong buch mai Kampala no biru buch makelwoni house detention i chairmo makelwo no nye bene pe nye ana ni weje chao ni ande tie ko lo sidong nyin ka biru do ko lo ma ko biru nge ni bene any company si gain palo dir ma pol tie sidong ngar chel mo yuek magi ko han tu e kenyane ana weche donc mede ki kenyo amir pie kilok ni nubi is not that's not the end of the newbies no ko watching the end gin nubi go gen pi make maogi ento apede young the terms my go be teacher under the British colonial no talo pi and all nyo or employees pian ke kergidong tala askari they were the first group of soldiers chigono no British cholo ge nyo politika teacher talo pi don't I cannot answer maybe mzee klama ramo konya ka kenyo ento miroda apie dong abin nong ni ino ni pegi ke panuvi pian karma don't want no independence but don't I mean any do be don't deal me mo I mean da o chao choy and nuvi any don't machala askari kida o chao choyo gamente chalo ko choyo imonye Lution Sudanese Ngarachel Manamir is not a good example maybe Ngarachel ento Amir Tiduni one Moses Ali Maungeyu Nakumbiri one how many Madi Moses Ali Pemadi Moses Ali Birbari Ma Sudan and Kikchoe Mon Ibapeje in 1968 no Mona and Amina Ochoe Manuri Cow Choy Moses Ali 12 video Choy Ben again Joe Mukan Bene Dory Gina these are my thoughts ni Tio no Luen Moon Magiti Gilongini Anyanya Mauno Giti South Sudan Mauno la did Giti and Lagu Dong Atamli Polgik Kagu Winong ni Gitika Choy Mon Simu Bedong Gubion Gichoy Gio Sidong Anyanya Udonyo Ugandan Army it said ni karma mi entorgamente uno tiebe an army of his own mostly made of and get a Sudanese no other than the Omakichoegi officially ni uno tieke an army of his own but ben okay you wanna sangola yes the other thing I can say from a Nyanya point of view la digi mana yang Luoni Joseph Laguni young Uneno dong ni o pegitwalo en chu bicho agreement okay Sudanese government me folwenye no ni ma telo kini actually it became physically impossible for him to sustain the group pian no gitika bino kan no ticho Uganda dogino we anyanya be go bino Uganda pol go bino ni we lo tieno ge unong yo me kwan bien yo me kwan no pe Sudan ci dong lu tieno gi bino gi kwan in Uganda Kenya an a dong lu tieno Sudanese mo kwano professor you might know the late Martin Tombe my TV in Botswana more down on one dong kede wa dong kede from tiro naga wa cher kede wa university my ben Mongeno his families were related to this Anyanya thing eto the parents give a wise men ni go be no Kenya we go kwan Kenya go dong Kenya go kwan go lu naga go mede wa tin so those were some things ento ginanu ana we akelu ni nuvi che Sudanese donne Uganda in bien karma mino torgamente no in principle no gewani it was a bloodless coup they down to remember on ye but Amin was very insecure ni and paying a ka at where be the man to tell actually team in the toilet you were yabo a campaign actually the second day of the coup Amino Monigulo iguru no tie pole lo tien lang actually ma no la dit no tie captain oborre meno you ben ngeni latin wachel magalone obonyo no tie no tie airline tie helicopter pilot no tigulu was the first place makemony moro no luor familia en capeta actually be ke donc kit gini no bergatime ma John enuni gimonyu bara ma donc hier actually pat ka hier oge donc bene pegi ngey kama go cherie Paul down of cook ma bene pegi ngey kama liel tie munu time ma raja de ke famous bin magi winyani o ludir mon mo gi keroge i art kaki detonating bomb maune ogero so there was a direct campaign me actually ma and Joma and newbies and Kisudanis and I don't get a temone you well I know chan more than come numi mauno chalo p don't resurface karma otorgamente now I mean, TUK organization, Mama Kiluoni, State Research Organization, State Research Bureau. My record actually, to Wajini, State Research Bureau, and Bob Assel, Canada, in the 70s. And the first officers in the State Research Bureau were Yoram Museveni, Genki Pichu Ali. I don't really, TUK State Research Mukaroni. Donc, teach chakan dong peda arom mede total do kono arom mede ni amin uno ti ki Sudanese ke nubis yame ma terre de dama bene ukilu ngo ikilu monye ke kana pian la monye chiel maono kilone Charles Arube Brigadier Charles Arube imwaka 1974 en temodora min bien en belka kwa en loka chelle kan ni amin tik tioke no nubis ke Sudanese imoin where dong Uganda mi do dong gin pan pero rock dong en no kognati Kenya kamarach jome malira de mechanized regiment of taigene Charles Arubero en menikinero donc mona well a kilo kama wa rounding yellow me history pag nubis ke Sudanese ka Kenya atamo mir kon anami kare kon wek kala wara amuze kilama ramo middle look Kenya. I'm sure he will disagree with some of my point of view and that's fine
before total Dr. Ikubo look me chabit mo karni maber total ento ma muzee kila maput pa ya o chao gine. Amiro eno o clarifying kong because there's a thin line money Kenya mamiro better bit clear on. Look me General Service Bureau my chakar po boroni ki State Research Bureau. Those are two different gine ma kila
That's
maput
right.
compare.
No, gonna get the general service unit. Yeah. Ento, which are State Research Bureau, as the counterintelligence. Bene.
Yeah. Muzee.
Gene
Okay.
Bob Assel, gene Canada yo chako. And to State Research Bureau became such a big thing in a means time. Yeah. I'm sure
Muzee.
Kelama will have a different point of view on that.
Yeah. Muzee, Fongda met ko Dr. Caesar Chai, and then I would Professor Kongdo Yobe, ki la mego Joyce, ki Christine, mego ki Latina Cheldon between te lok diju. Muzee, it muted channel. Yeah, Muzee it muted. No? Yeah, about your winning.
Yeah, you wanted the horse.
Yeah.
The winning.
What do you win? What do you win? You
Don't
know.
go, Ajani. And then clip my watching the horse has unmuted you. Yeah. See,
Okay.
yeah, look, man, make it any. I can't come on we are tea. Put a paw is from memory. Ni, State Research Bureau. A paw ni Carpamin and State Research Bureau. Well, Chaco winning a kere. Ma change our watch you nigger. La dit kit ma pian gin ma tie no te mong total kiat jemi rangi ma pol ma kuber timne in Kampala and around the country where unlike Gem Service Unit la dit come peki nye no peki ngayu openly and kita ngayu kere ni Farouk Minawa and no la dit Mr. Research Bureau karpa min Karpo borre ma po kita po kere ene no kitigi General Service Unit ela dita no mi no borre Canada ene no kido ke le kore no Jeremy opera no sidong io borre tu ando na tikani pangu intelligence service ngo mano ti io borre tu someone will have to remind us about it donc look panubi again it's a long story kin ma dakta wajini nubi kiberga ticket gi is fi mamewa team wang throughout has been very negative in terms of lawlessness buami ne kodano ya kodano tem jëm ko geni ani tidong nen tali rem po merki yubbe go kude ma no re karma no min put pere ke put no lo chana no Kongo beiro bene throughout the colonial rule, and Nubi go beiro we are all over Uganda, Timago, wait, as far as Fort Portal Benotia, Soroti Benotia, Gulukin Benotia, Lera Ben, Muni, Ata, and call center nema dit no ti bombo Uganda, you know. Me Buganda ne awinyo ni kabaka yo me ni gipi long kony mageno timu me lwenyi kompunyoro. Yung lwenyi ino ni lwenyi ma British yo chao ikom bunyoro kom kabalega. Uweko bunyoro ma pol buto kidong ingi lwenyi British kwanyi lo pa bunyoro o counties abichiel kulu umiyo ki Buganda. En la kuri tim mag kilep tugi gilone impunity ni ene okelo conflict mapol kin Buganda ki Bunyoro. Ikar chani actually were sympathetic to Bunyoro throughout ilwenyi enoni. Wero gena kabalega biyo chalo gena. Uchalo koko bora actually makimiyo Mahadis and Jopa Gerani, the false prophet Muhammad. No ki winyini kitika lweny magwa mada en Khartoum cha. Magina kare Gordon Pasha. Cheno nyingo yuek mada pi lweny gi. Chi kabalega ochalo duan. Na chwele gumiyo ukelo mwaka. Ukelo mwaka berla domuno. Rom ki gena ubwana me patero gen no joma gingeyo lep Arab. Che ukelo mwaka hotel wi ludiru Bunyoro ruodi maroma dek me Bunyoro wuoro kedgi Sudan kidanum lumony maroma 100 mago chero ki ukelo mwaka Sudan no kimer chero Khartoum ka nongo lumony Mahadis mago bino kon kabalega ilwenye enoni. Ruodi Bunyoro ma ena wuoro kedgi ene achiel kilone Lubulwa, achiel kilone Moenda, achiel kilone Manyara. Gumara Johnny wodgi pe wuoro maber, pego owai gina Khartoum kikome. No gimirni uchi katwere guluong lulwenye ene nyo lutak toki. Ego bin ka konyo kabalega kilwenye enoni. Ia dugine Paul dano ni ene ginero giko yutung gina ilobo dinka. Nyomo ke mako giko jomada udugu gumabe ano kelo mwaka udugu kibanyor mukene. Ma achiel kilone Kiza kitabieta gengu banyor me Masindi. Banyor achiel me Oima bakasing songa gudugu kedgi Bunyoro e Uganda en gene mwaka beno dugu pego to. So inoni nyuru ni kita ng'ar machin chao penyo winya ng'o ki konya ng'o mano tikin Bunyoro kachuli ipeko me lwenye inoni. Nubi on the other hand tiemege history gi the long gulwenya dab with the Mahadis. You know, chidong make tayo Mahadi 1898 guringi dong gudugu mogo botwa Kenya. Chule ni ondu jan yom chwin wajo nego Latina. Owero guber ka jolo kakani ini ma gubero mabe kong bena piano dig me colonial rule no tie pagero mo nyuto kujibame gine. Kere beri te gulu Kenya pange te kedgu. Ono bom mo mateo no gitemo. Chi dongu nyuru raja gero karma min kwanyu lodge ene doki chako kelugi kama leng imony bomi do meda Uganda mane ki tim bomi jomu kene ma konya min gene nek Uganda ene joma West Equatoria pientie la mono ma kilon Ralph Steiner German mercenary ma pia min kwanyu gamente borrow me instruction ma chero Singapore ni Inspector General Mark Moni no Ralph Steiner pien antika training gene tika training dano ma bin gator gamente me Uganda si badong rema gutem kiti na da ki maro Ralph Steiner kitero bot President me Sudan ma ki waju ni mono ni dong bi waju ni Nentelo choy book berkolo eno no petika training dano me bin gator gamente me Uganda eno no tika training dano me toro gamente me Khartoum pien Sudan no the north and south tika lweny ento ngat mono tika training gene mon metor government me Uganda no gin jopa min iti West Equatoria en John inunia ye kita winyu kerani passing out me parade no amin do kelu yo mogodon do tie already Uganda ugudoni mon me Uganda passing out parade me 1970 John inuni uno kin gidong amin cho jomokuma jome West Equatoria ni iti kenyu kimere gida mere nge lochen nge gena nge kwanyu gamenda pamin dakta obiso alla gena email ma wajo ni gena Moses Ali Choi book title me book pa I don't agree with it piani title le book atting on how Nubians shaped and rebuilt Uganda mukwa Nubians pego shaping Uganda they did not even rebuild it culture of destruction Kibomini never left them Paul Jim Magutimo was destructive. She titled my book in a time Amazon pano petie guak abi time nongone kati ke chare bookshop Uganda ke kamukana after nongone ke kunu. And I don't agree with the title. Nubi Mergu Bedo, they were never in control of the country until Amin came to power. Chicken Magu reshaping Uganda kere. I don't agree with it. You know, go rebuilding Uganda better by year began rebuilding Uganda. In fact, they were very destructive. They can't build things. They can only destroy. Yeah, and Lopanubi, Tekumano. The other side, ma Amira touching Manonoki. Gonna look Melpi. Book ma Albert Lloyd. Uchoyo, Magiloni, Uganda to Khartoum, Life and Adventure on the Upper Nile. Something interesting in slavery. Akwano pepe the relevant part. Another aspect of slavery, Manuruni, one actually somehow, without our own fault, were benefiting from slavery, and any Karma and Logolum and Albert Lloyd, Rataki wrote Logolum, wrote Jiggy. I found several Banyoro who had been brought over the border by Kabalega and sold as slaves to the Acholi. But all these young men with whom I conversed said how they were happy and that they had no desire to return to Bunyoro. They had married Acholi girls and had homes of their own, and the chief was good to them. What more could they wish for? You see, this is a different kind of slavery. It's not much of a slavery. Ti wilo down there, wila ma Bunyoro wera chatugi, actually wilugi. And that's a reverse kind of slavery. Apart of mada, la bolla ben rocktie mukene, la chero ben show ni, uno jo alu janam. Guber chatu dano ki early 1900. Kijogo inoni officially in 1914. And I don't chatu dano ben actually ben go wilema da ki dano, uno age ki ilaga pakwat. These are strange aspects of slavery. It's all about some kind of slavery. Anthropic slavery, mawa wangi paharap. Ibino absorbing, and you become lapajo. So population manure banyoro bini actually la korkerio. Ma tiama rangi mapola and yo magoreo lier meluen pa banyoro. The British and actually absorbing in my poll go be ite gulu kenyo pange kam moko bene no ticket gum ma ngu settling here. Machalo ka in lapore tie ni kabedo moko gulu chalo kasubi gi men ki ile bunyoro kanyagoga atamo kai dano ngai lugano manok is a cold place. Gemati cold. So I imagine it must be a cold place. And pange luganda that much, but it's a Bantu language anyway. So Kasubi, Kanyagoga, and there's another place. So Bunyoro were very much integrated. Bunyoro, he actually peg kukila yela more. So this is another aspect of slavery. Mawachi Mirugine down there. One benefited by willow slaves, but it's through no fault of ours. Donc, gonna tema minu temo. Going back to it, where nubi ma pol, karma minu to, gureo. Musa, what's this man? Musa, yeah, kind of ranger. I don't know, young driver, maybe 80 gulu. And karma min. Karma min TK, Ododan did. He was deputy mayor, Kampala, to give factory, Beneging og, Dogla Long, Matakman. Don't karma min to. Ando na tikany winye ni otemo riu milaro tung Sudan ci no heart attack uto America koriyo mapia ulu en tuki nyutu teni jon no ngi bal yok le weng you know guen gulok kalore komwa kitma komero watika neno jomo kuma yang achili konyo gi tika loka kuma achili ene kayang dirma ja pin loka mirgenen mabe mada lorok na beri kindano you know so atamni lokne slavery Panubi in particular ki bomigi reasonably well documented entity doka Luen Moa Konye Acholi Magutimu Bomi and Neko Chamoni, Meno, they participated in Ilweni in 1887. 1886, Kongen Nubi, Gulani Komgena, Ikom Payera, Pade, Ki Pajule, Ma Payera. Ki John combined in a group in 1886. Gulo Nubi ki walk Yomano Tika Konya Nubi. When Inuni to Archina Ramada were done 1887, the following year, Arab Dong Ucholukogi cum Payera Uneke Road Chaman. Again, Nubi took a big part. I was offended man or Tia Pateko station and Nubi man or Loyal station. And it'll be me evidence ni wang piane padibe ki payera no monene putie dare padibe bergawajni ya we wrote chamuti bulge loko beruliet until in early 1950s ma winyi ni kichwalo la dit actually mo manotie senior police officer ene obino ka checking bull pajo padibe ka we wrote chamuti ya da chicken only gimo peka uber ngala ikin payera ke padibe donc I was offended man and ki penye and I was clearly ni we wrote chamu ki gitero wokere tung du file I mari ka kare e gondo koro ma chok ke kartum la kulu tung cha kartum So and look na slave ti duong pian okay ata lu kit ma clan ki clan polle mati well documented and me ka jopati ro. Yeah. So yeah, that is my contribution. Yeah.
Foi total. Professor, da che area dekmo. This is the final leg of Gire Lokme OPII mai actually. Lokme la Lokme OPII actually. Professor. What you winning?
I think you have muted me.
It's winning dong.
Winnie don't where.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
kamuko tima kija pi ola chen ya pinye timpo beru mabe to trial chidong water beru tap. An particular ma pol tamuni nget ma dakta mio ki nget ma muze kilamo mio pira tap to trial chidong man benegin ma tie nyen bot wanjo kane. Now, gina chel ma ana miru waju ne ene ni chencha achwalo bot Dr. Caesar Chaya book money ni chida wachi en miru chwal bot muze kilama wero nen ka en romuno book eno ni kape wan waramuno ni ki gwa Kampala katie bien atamani bi miteni kirma muze kilama gin ki dakta gitigi ngej ingo mayam nupio timo gin giramo mi battle. Actually, my aim was ni ka Dr. Kia Muze Paulo Kilama Ramona Kwano book enoni. And wrote me a very good rebuttal. Pienka kira entika wajeneni Nupi were both victims and perpetrators of violence. So the turbulent period Mauti Me ni Chakagi Sudan me binu Uganda all lupigi beruka tikpwedgi, and so they were victims, but they also took advantage and became also political force, different political forces. I think there is need for a rebuttal to that book. Pioneer can be go contributing the development. Kidong ma girimara tamani twal man bot muse Paulo Kilama eneni history eneni kabeti bits and pieces manoti fragmented miero wane gichoyo gikerichoy in jemini tika ruenyo nen wanjo kene gini wengno puange ki
Okay.
Yeah. History enoni chikapegi kerichoy history enoruenyo I have a little form more church, even if it means serializing it to some kind of online media where gin any new katika maleng pira adeda.
Ngoleo. Tika ngoleo.
Doctor line petimo beba.
Yeah.
Mono fu doctor poya ubino. Let me go Joyce. Da che area ashela area mo. Maybe be muted. Put muted.
Host me around muting you know. Host it on.
The Ben ko ite mute unmuting gine Joyce. Let me go Christine.
Okay, I think we know.
Okay, yeah, okay, yeah.
Okay. Ana foi rituala foi un panelist. Do you get host ma go tika? Get down do you makumbele get tika nanwa? an gi mama pol tutwal ma aromo lo ne peti pingoni topic eni pan yang e matut atamo o lu dir wario ne gulo mabe ge professor beno mede wie miero poi ye la dir pol kilama tutwal pien gin ma eno lo ne kin mati into details ge je mautime mano wan jo mo kan wer fut pe ge nywalo wa amen chi gimo maramo lo ye ma pol tutwal pe konda tigi penya chiele kanem kira Nubi kachiel gi Muslim or Arabs or Islam. What are the difference between them? Are Nubians Muslim? Are they Arab or they are Islamic? I don't know. Pian history pa Nubi when they go father from Egypt. Chidon kawane jumo kere Egypt pegetie Islam onyo pegetie Nubi. Chi Acholi kiberka luongi ni Nubi wa Islamic wengi luongi ni Nubi. Chi origin pa Nubi tie machalo Islamic onyo tie machalo a tribe.
Ni Caesar okay Muse iramu gamne
Yeah, Nubi one actually waluon in Nubi ni it's not a very correct classification. Piani the real Nubians between north of Sudan and southern Egypt. And the original Nubians come watin bana wadi daguri Kenya for centuries since ancient Egyptian time. Again, Mirubet part of the Kushite Empire. A classical history belong in the Kushites. See, Nubi and Mawano I think it's a misapplication of that word. Ni Nubi and Mawano in Nubini, they are not really the real Nubians. You know, they don't misclassification belong in Nubians. And to Yatina, you know, they riffraffs, ma ex-slaves, Arabs. Again, petty Arabs. And go on Islam, predominantly again Islam. And sometimes people confuse between Islam, Madini, Nubians. Most Nubians, Polgite Islam, maybe 9 out of 10. Islam. Chidong, who Dano, the mixing up ni Nubi, Islam, the two different things. Nubi Kara, or some kind of again wakapoki Europe kan kiloni gypsies karamalakata eneno gypsies Europe kan bilakata very tense kingogene gen chop kiti enoni
Kakari
rom kilo kwart na kumeti ka yelowani gilakata eneno see Nubians are the real Nubians the northern Sudan, South Egypt. And actually belong in the Nubians. I think it's a mistaken classification. Yeah. Jomu kana magudonyi din Islam ba arwata ke alu mo mati Islam a prominent one. Ilogo and Leb Nubi anone. And Leb Nubi ni inone is not even a language in Pidgin Arabic. Piani Roma ki kumberi wanon in the West Indies tiki Pidgin gi. Ma pian Leb gi ki gina gi culture gi wan renyo adopting culture pamuni pian go beru slaves bane you know so kain ki slave you lose your identity, you lose your culture, you don't matter don't gonna a mirror image of your master and nubi tiku mano they are just mirror image pa masters gi Arab
okay
so and to let make look on it broken Arabic you know Pidgin yeah
Amen de gwany maber pian pol kare abiro ka getting confused ni Muslim wen giluonge ni nubi chidong wan yang ni Nubians go ake Egypt. Chidong dana mo kana mati Egypt, they are not even Muslim. Chidong watika kergi ya gula chiel ni gen weng Muslim. No kuno Nubi ni kara is a tribe or is a tribe mago go bero under lodge pa Arab. En ka Kenya na niang. Gima mapolo tuan maram lo ne ka kan pe ana po American dam do your contribution ma juma dongo mio. Pe an yang e ma tut pian ni man history ma mago kar ma chon. Gi kono do gin man na ka ma ana abikwana ena yeni kar en ma Nubians go bino Uganda settlement go bero i Buganda ka chiel gi ilobo Acholi. Meno gen ma akwana ye en pange ye gima ma tut tuan afo tuan.
Okay.
Bombo, go bombo, pole. Get your bombo, me wa kombedi. Christine.
Ayo. Apo itu tual morwo weng. Arabe Latin ma don kin and Nubians no tiki Nubians takwa kidong karamukene weng. Tika ber madakta luonye garam mala diet polo luonye ka subigi kanya goga gi men ka wan mo don wa karpi yewo tiaro me tiaro kalega rusari wa don area makiluon la lia primary school wa kwana kilo tiano Muslim ki ken koren Muslim kinyo nubi wa kika kwa weng ma genmuti mi kenya ma wiya po ni joma gi bino ka bir ngumi gwa ka kere gen gi blok ne gi lok daga pero kit ma dong ku bedi nyo bedong tikatime amin dong ki en ka kwa en ma gu bino ki nubian si kar mo dong ma min ti ke la gang ni kwano ma ke kwan mande tian baja wa tian bichi ke la tian bich po kwano tian biji Muslim gi tia lega wan mo ber gang wan da ko tian ka kwana tian bichel man te lo kani lu tian da ki kwana tian bichel ni en effects no meneno en kadung culture do rupenyo kakam ken ma par bino doni ngumi ci jemi makumeno time ci pa angar pa bi lo ma dunga to algena pol mere pere ci ya afo et to me winyu lo en ken men nubis keta jimi weng keta la diro lo kero even doctor and professor benotika making a valid point ni jimi ne mi ke cho pen kari ka ke cho in points bullet points ci gubedi on the internet konyo yeah afoya adwaro tieng baro ci siza
Yeah, afoya tutual megoroski latina chel tin pero team muted ayo
loko ma pol pe we butong wan we ngoda school yo wan we lo tiang kwan ya gena ti ga lok ne wan do lu o winyo wa mako wan be no don en ki gulu kenyo no ka ne duong ba winyo yo kere we ko wan be madi wan wa ti wan ko wan madi tien wa don ka chel kenyo wa ngi wan du da chel ki rombe kenyo no madi ki en nubiri ki banyoro men wan wen ki rombe kanya koga ki subi no wen kaka eni wen ti ki wana chuli ti poko watek wan wa chel ba dong en kira ki wate kai nen dan ma do ri ka mo na da ki kwanyo ka mo ni do me kio ti mi yor ke gwa ka to twal ma ben en kira Christian waje ni kombe dong tiga ti me jumo kene nyang iye jumo kene pe nyang jumo kene dan tiga tik ma tek jumo kene pe ngey tik ma wor gi tiga tik lo eni ma tek ci ana legu un tar pa duo u mede ki nyuto ngom miro dano ku nen ki go win ke go gwa ke kere yen loke tiga do ko marat twal ci lok mo pol mana lok pe po uno wen po dar ma tiga win wa ki ka nen wa bene don lok me pi nen do ko bi dugu ba ka pe wa gwa ka uno ki dog lo tian wa ma wana tike ki kombeti yen lo tian kombeti tiga ke lok mo per watte ana po itu tuan.
Lady Grace.
Apoia, joma tika neno wa ke kampa pare. Eni mere kwan eneno ki waje ni in ka pe ngeu history nyo gina butime ya nge. Where you down for it bal pegin yang kama gi che pe ngi maj me bi don ye la ko lo ke eni ka wan po wa gwa ke ma pe wa chung ka chiel ka bir ka lwenye kien wa ka bir ka loko loka pol wa bi dok eni yu pi eni do biru pi pe tek ka i medo ki ming eni nen tar wan o tika timne ka wa medo ki ming wa bi dok pi ma be eni ginan message mana wai ki dani ka pe wa chung unu ma tek ma chara chudi wa bi dok pi igangwa wa bi dok yu pi ma yora de kita ner ka ma kita wa tika chera kene ne pien ka ka lwenyi kom le meroge pi ma ku donyi ore wan wa ti lwenyi kienwa eni pe gina be pien nen eni gino yamo timme dogo bi timme ma mier dano gwa ka ene kina ana waje mer message mana tikere bo dano en lokin nubian ne kita ne nen ki wai ne nubian ne polegiti Egypt ya swan Johnny Chan ka ini ner ki waje ni wa fero chol fero en ba ke nyorni ki wache geno chol geno ginubian jomu kene ni ene me dongu gene kita wae ne ki jo ma do do me lu jo mo pi u pi ma dongu kwanyo ngo tik pa jo ma go yamo ma ogi leb gi pat leb Egypt Arab mi Egypt pat kiri mi North Sudan pat jo en ma bot wa en ni man nubi mo ma bene pe bene en kiro e pijen gene mer pe lo le pa pe niange but Nubians ki come ti Aswan i Egypt ki dong en northern gene en northern Sudan en ma bot wa ni mer ki luo gene nubi they are not Nubians Johnny Chan ke ini neno gi gen gu ber chutar Nubians ki come ni pe gu ber chal Johnny en gu ber Arab yeah ene loka ana mere en apoyo
Yeah, o foi to twal it ben kai yubo choj mo mo dan cho kuno lok mo giro kede lady grace o giro ni la penti a chele ken ngoro mo we chui como meru yo como la meru como do biro ki ton ke mo do maro ma tek ma kar ko ni ngo ngo mo we indo ka ke mo ma dok bene ne chalo ke kum le mo ne pa chiri dok gine pedare ke to twal ngo ma no ti ma we ke ke ni bero pi pe tek wa ka pe managing diversity wa ma be tam ro mo poke but kirati ne na kere ni bero chalo chui ma do chiro wa chui dan ma tek ko twal wa lego ni kong dar ko jok chwingi la kiramo ke jamo ma do ke i jemme lobo ene ma do i kom o mer yo la mer ma karo la joni atam pe bi konyo ma twal ko wa mer ti ko men ken ni wala ti lo me lo pi ene be pi pe tek ka pe wa ribe man poche ken di ben ka choj mo tie ma dan tie ka gine ne tin dong ada kong no yup kiu ne kong me kwano me kwano choj ma tie comment steve charman no di ben
Right. Ati winye.
winye
Man watiegi lok mo a keyboard umin wa Isaac Okelo adugal wa any good evening members. Wana foyo umego Okelo. Kitiemo a keyboard umin wa Daniel Ayara and wani thanks for introducing this the Ben Lakwe TV.
apoyo
Watie bene ki ngej ma a keyboard Charles O Kagwa eno tero kanye lokomo pi mukene bene gu o iching Acholi kun gu mako gin ikare me lweny ka kelo gi bene pol ne gu poke ki dok kaka chi gidoko Acholi Man bene ki boro min wa ma luone janani ukweta eno wa moru un duju mautie ipano de be madame winyo history ento lu diro eni miero good team research maber
Yo. Man lo be mere gine gile ka pa professor Emil gi chojo.
Kakare man bene aki baro min wa ma luone komboni Daniel Wilobo eno choe kanye puoj madit chero botu pi puoj mabejo atieka lega na tieni ruot lu ba ugwok wun maber ikare duchu apoe matek wash hands is some kind of yeah gidong bene mukeno aki barlo umo dwa eno tero ni mego oweko anyero tutwal opi tamo wajo mego iyo
belo pi petek
eneno do lumo dwa beno tero kanye dano matie ata ya chuli pengeo leba chuli lok mere ata kunyo no wai lokati ata kar duju no pengeo leba chuli
Yeah. Okay, for total mego Joyce. Me
ati koti makar lewa chule mukano tete ba
la mego Christine ko itele walega wa tiri wa for panelist ma tingu musée Paul Kilama wa for total
Doctor, yeah, wa for total.
Me medi wa ki doctor. Ata una rio ne do assignment ti me choje mugu. Ma mir gi ket pin ka chi. La mego Christine ko ilegi wa don we wa tiri kere.
Ti di be en kar pamini madon gurrioni tie kin nubians mo magudong machwingi gar be tek be gudong actually poti mo gi moy kongi gen gurrion gi ma pole wa rion jomu dong gulla ko nying lutien ki o kini actually mo ne no ke lone alogo eto en gen gilone aluku and then gilwo lutien ka nyo to one be kenyi be wa fonye be le chal mod gini kabara sunu kabara ma ina chaba
Telemon Rio kar kasiga pani anka di ben tiga nano dana Rio kucho messenger furu kar cham
Gine messages here yo kan ngara chelo cho kan yo ken Pennington ni great to see and hear about slavery. Gi onen chan ki oburo ki tia ne wa ki palabek kal oburo. Ari share your people. I'm onen Dennis Langoya.
Reverend Penningham came
from man okay ati ne ne ki mara pe.
No doubt.
Wapo ne pichi tema be mada uni nyero me paloga nyenga.
Correct Johnson.
Johnson tia konyo mo be mada for the church. One for to
okay.
Yeah, me gin Christine mi legiwa but ma pira teke ma no. La kuri chwe mo ne en ma kuri ka la mero bino ma ka uchalo pini wa we obedi. Ke chunye do kare o icha bit mo ne enni. Ana for to try Christine ko legiwa. We ko tiri yob.
Fui pi be kire me chwe wan wang mo TV loni pi be kire me gwakwa wan jo mo TV loni pi man no alegi ni Pupeti wati kanchal tar palu an wati ka tiap tu lok maya ti me machon. Ma wek lu ti an ma bina nyim ben ku nge chi wa foi in ruột ni I konywa I tiap tu lok man I ti wa I wek je ket ma ki wa jo ke mi ke chopin wek ke chopin wek lu ti an ma ti an ni ku ponye ka ki wa ni ka pon perem history pe ngatange ko am chere ye peke gitimo jimu ma pe warati pi menon le ni I konywa wan jome tar palu da kony dana dar ma ti gang a chuli ma ti gang ki per ma ku beti ti ilobo ma kama chuli beri ye la chwe wo legni chwal chi rie chi kuno I juk per weng ma ti ka yelo lu ti na chuli gen man ku beti ti ka a chuli ti ka kar ki ye o chwingi la kwe chwingi pi man a lega be pi wan weng mo ku beti wa ti ka ni la chwe o bet ketwa wa dak gang wa mabe wat mete ki ti gen mo ti ka ti ni mabe mo ngada ko wate ni ma la chwe dok yugo a legi ni wa ba yisuf
Foi, tá. Bem.
Okay.
Gamere baro bella jo, gamere teo kalla wo, gamere baro bella jo, gamere teo kalla wo, gamere baro bella jo, gamere baro bella jo, gamere teo